Mother Nature nurtures. The heat was scorching. 10 months since rain last fell. Walked through woodland, dead trees ready to fall, bare earth. No vegetation, just litter, rocks, stones, brackish dead plants. Would burst into flame easily. Desolation, sterility and death. Returned 5 months later after replenishing rain. Same woodland ablaze with flowers, masses of greenery. Could not these see the rocks, the stones, or the litter? Trees that seemed dead? Mimosa in bloom. The scent amazing. No bare earth showing. So many vibrant colours. Nature had worked its miracle. The urge to survive, to live, had won through. Miraculous indeed. And now the same poem written as a moment in time, one of my minimalist poems. Mother Nature nurtures too. Dry, scorched, dead, barren, after so much sun. We left, returned after rain, a mass of colour, lush greenery, mimosa in bloom. Nature had miraculously survived and thrived.